Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make oatmeal cookies from scratch. First, cream together 1 cup of softened butter with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of packed brown sugar. Beat this mixture until it's light and fluffy, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, incorporate 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mixing until just combined. Now, let's prepare the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make your cookies tough. Next, it's time for the star ingredient, the oats. Gently fold in 3 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats until they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. If you like, you can also add 1 cup of raisins or chocolate chips here. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Once baked, your delicious oatmeal cookies are almost ready. Let them cool on the baking sheet for about 2 minutes. This helps them set and prevents crumbling. Then, carefully transfer the cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. They are wonderful warm, but also store well in an airtight container for several days. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.